While we all love to go out and eat a juicy burger or pizza, there are also times when we want to cook our own food in our home. This time, I'm going to introduce the apps that help you start cooking or give you some ideas for some amazing recipes. Fitmen Cook. Cook vibrant, delicious meals that are budget-friendly and easy to prepare. With over 100 delicious and healthy recipes, you'll never be out of ideas for great meals to cook. From vegetarian to seafood to post-workout and low-carb, find a meal that suits your needs or simply search by ingredients that you already have in your pantry. Oh, she glows. Brought to you by the New York Times best-selling author Angela Liddon. This app features the most popular fan-favorite plant-based recipes, including more than 120 gluten-free recipes. Simply filter your recipes based on dietary and allergy information, season, dish type, and more. Yumly recipes. Yumly provides you with inspiring dishes for any occasion. From recipe recommendations to handy tools and helpful videos, Yumly has everything you need to improve life in the kitchen. Yumly's greatest strength lies with its search engine, where you can collect and save and organize your favorites. Food Network in the Kitchen. Food Networks in the Kitchen brings all your favorite TV chefs from the network directly to your mobile device. Instantly save recipes from your favorite Food Network shows and add your own notes, tips, and substitutions to any recipe. Kitchen Stories Recipes. This is a beautiful and polished app that provides you with variety of recipes. Find delicious recipes with beautiful pictures, easy to follow step-by-step photo instructions. One great feature of this app is you can easily change the number of people you are cooking for, and the app changes the measurements accordingly. Tasty. Meet your new cooking coach with over 3,000 tasty recipes now at your fingertips. Follow step-by-step instructions on how to cook every single recipe. Filter by what matters to you, or let the app gives you recommendations for your next meal based on the time of the day, week, and major holidays. If you are a vegetarian, you can personalize the app to automatically hide all recipes that contain meat. I hope you cook some delicious food with these apps and save some time and money on top of that. And bring your friends and family together for many impressive feasts to come.